to it. So often we can start our day and we might have a massive list of things to do, but some days we might not. We might wake up and we might not feel the best that we could be, best compared to another day. Our energy levels might be a bit lower, or they might be actually, you might have more energy than usual. So a great practice to do in the morning is asking yourself, how many cups do you have? So you can just visualize. So your 10 can be your maximum cups. So this is how much energy you've got. So if you're full of energy, you've got 10 cups. So if you've got a long list of things to do, it might be, okay, I can pick quite a lot of those to do, or you might even think be able to do all of them. Often we don't have enough time to do all of them. But, so for example, yeah, I could do all my 5 tasks today because I've got my whole 10 cups full. Or it might be you have a list of 10 things to do, but your energy isn't so good today. So in the morning you can ask yourself, well, how many cups do I have? In that day, you might just have the energy of, say, 2 cups. So then if you then look at your list of what you want to get to achieve for that day, what you can do with the list is just take off things or find which ones are like absolutely you have to do today. And it's really about more prioritizing. Which do you want to prioritize? Do you want to prioritize what things could you prioritize on your list? What things could you take out? But also prioritizing your health, because if you've only got, say, 2 cups of your energy, you usually have 10, you've only got 2, and then you still do all those things on your list that needs to be done, but they might not need to be done straight away. Then you're prioritizing that list rather than yourself too. So then that might mean then you're just going to be resentful or too tired. So it's often this balance that we want to try and to achieve of what do we want, what do I need, what can I achieve, and trying to work it out that way rather than knowing you've only got 2 cups of energy, but you're still going to do all those lists. So learning to ask yourself in the morning, how much energy do I have, and what can I achieve throughout the day?